I'm happy because it was a good occasion to explain what is hypnosis really.
Do it, and then you see.
Thank you. Very good answer. Thank you.
We will make this the last words of this talk. Thank you so much for coming. It's
Thank
always a
you.
pleasure.
You are so wonderful. She's so wonderful.